I Am Brave, a little book about Martin Luther King Jr. by Brad Meltzer, illustrated by Christopher Eliopoulos. I am Martin Luther King Jr. Come dream with me. A dream is an adventure that you build inside your mind. My dreams grew big with books. Even as a kid, I knew words had power. Can you count all of my books? Start with hope, add some faith. You'll be amazed at what you'll find. My family taught me it's better to have more love in your life and that you must never feel that you are less than anyone else. My dreams are of love, of making peace and shining bright. Lift those who are around you. Be brave and do what's right. Back then, not everyone was allowed to sit at the front of the bus. To protest those rules, one of my first big speeches demanded that people be treated fairly, until justice runs down like water and righteousness like a mighty stream. One day you will help others. One day you'll take a stand. Hold hands. We're all sisters and brothers. It's how we'll reach the promised land. At the March on Washington, thousands of people came together to demand that everyone be treated equally. Be brave, my little dreamer. We need you more than ever. The very best dream of all is the one we dream together. I am Martin Luther King Jr., and I know nothing can stop our dream.